This right here is just a leak detection unit. So manual leak detection using a dunk tank. The fabricated unit. These are casting grippers for a robotic arm.
Hmm.
And so we're doing the design of all these different features to lock into the component, to lock all its degrees of freedom, and then also doing the manufacturing of those items. Here's a unit with it on its cylinder.
So not just the programming of the robot itself, but the tools that grip the parts that it has to pick up.
Yep. This was a fairly intricate one. So this tooling has to rotate like 360. There's level compensation to pick these to pick these injection molded pieces out of the mold.
Hmm.
It's actually a three-step process. So we have to load in a bearing. We have to overmold on top of that bearing, and then we have to pick the overmolded part out and take it to another injection molding press to overmold it for a second time.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, that one was pretty intricate, and it's using vision and lasers to uh, ensure that the mold open position is in the proper open position to ensure like the robot doesn't crash into the die.
Mm.
And this is kind of just a small special purpose machine. Some of the conveyor stuff we've designed in the past. There's some of the outputs of those same conveyors. And then we're even doing stuff like this where it's like a lower cost machine tending operation. So this would have a chute that has, hundreds of these parts loaded into it.
Hmm.
So an operator can load this and then walk away for 2 hours while this mechanical unit just sits there and loads the CNC machine.
Ah, I see. Yep.
And it's all being done by cylinders and a PLC. I think total project cost of this was like under $30,000.
Which just helps the operator multitask, so he doesn't have to sit there for the every 30 seconds and loading a new part. This
Yeah.
is eliminating that, so he can load up a tray or I don't know what you call it, but he can load up all the parts and then go and do something else while this thing processes them all.